Alrighty, Dan, here's one of your 427 small block boards. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of RS cast heads on it. Got a Victor manifold, Junior, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got your front end on it. Make sure that alternator charges for you. Front sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,300, it's 505 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 534, peaks horsepower 524, so everything's good. What we'll do next is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and I'll show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's USB. Alright, Sean, I'm gonna have to start that over. Alright, when you receive your engine, there'll be this thing that looks like a credit card. It's full of technical information. It's got all your engine build specs in it, engine pictures, a lot of technical information. Highly recommend plug it in, watch it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Also will be this tag on the engine. It's got your engine number and some other tech specs on it. If you need anything from us, that engine number is really the easiest ways for us to get information to you. So have a great day.